Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a great lightweight editor with tons of great features and highly usable without much fussing about or installing extensions right off the bat. As a side note, I just want to mention that I'm currently working on an HTML and CSS tutorial, so keep an eye out in the description below where I'll drop a link when it's published. First of all, open up a browser and then search for Visual Studio Code in your search engine. Click on the links that says Visual Studio Code, which is usually the first one that will show up, and this will take you to the home page. At the top of the page you'll see a download button, which usually indicates what OS you're currently using. If not, just click the drop down arrow next to it and you can see a collection of different operating systems. So if you want, you can just click the download button next to each one under the stable column. There's also other downloads. If you click on it, it'll take you to the bottom with different types of installers. For our use, we'll just click on Windows since I'm on Windows 10. And this will give you the user setup, which is the recommended installer going forwards. So save it to a location of your choice. I've already downloaded this, so I'll just replace it quickly. And once that's done, navigate to the folder where it was downloaded. And then right click on the installation file and make sure you run it as an administrator. Click on yes to accept the user access control that opens up when you try to install software on Windows. With the new user installation file, it will install it for the current user. However, if you want something that's installed for all users of the system, you'll have to use the system installer. We can just ignore that and click OK. Accept the license agreement, read it if you like, click next, and choose a folder location for it to be installed. I usually set my own and not what the default is. You can set the default if you'd like. Just click on OK. Once you're happy, click on next and next again. And I usually create a desktop icon and an open with code added to the Windows Explorer file context menu, which will help you click on a file and open it up right into Visual Studio Code, which is handy. And if the add to path is not checked, make sure it is. Click on next. And once you're satisfied with all the configuration, just click on install. Just let it run through. So once that's done, you can just click on finish and it'll automatically launch Visual Studio if that is checked over there. And there you have it. You now have Visual Studio Code installed on your system to begin work on your web development projects. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And as I already mentioned, please keep an eye out in the description for when I'll be launching my new tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.